Hey there, Ronnie. Great to see you, fella. So now we have these 7 little videos, and we are going to make a beautiful package. We're going to package them up.
Hey, DMC, you do know that the product is digital, right? It's a digital product, you know? Zeros and ones, right?
So what? They got to look good. You can put my picture on it.
All right. Okay, guys. Hi there, Ronnie here. So today we're going to be creating some graphics. Now, the very important thing to know is that your camera, when you take a picture, it's actually a huge picture with all this information. But what we need to do is squeeze it and make it tiny and small so we can send it through these cables all over the internet and going through the air. Now, to squeeze this stuff up, we have some tools. And these tools are called compression. Now, there are many kinds of compression, but the compression that we are going to be using most is the JPEG. All right, it's time to dive onto the computer. There we go. Okay guys, here we are now in the video editor. So what we want to do now is take an image out of our video and export that and use that in an image editor. So first of all, I want to warn everybody, now don't freak out. This is just a step-by-step thing and you can always rewind, and the idea is just to get an overview of what is possible. So let's go over to the frame. So this is the frame that we want actually. Now let's turn off some background. So we have the white, we have the farm, and then we have the iPad in the front. So this was created with a green screen. And using this green screen, we actually took away the green color. So what we're going to do now is export this image. I'll click on this little camera here, and now we see that we can export it as a JPEG. Let's give it a name. Okay, alright. So let's save it again as another file type. Now we select the PNG. There we go. Okay guys, so let's jump over to the image editor. I'm going to be using Photoshop. Okay guys, so here we are in the image editor. Let's open the files that we just saved. So this is the first image that we saved. As you can see, it also took in the background. Now let's open the second one. Now as you can see now, the second image, the PNG image, actually has a transparent background. Now that is a great thing about the PNG, that you have transparency. So as a third image, I actually downloaded a lovely book. So that's going to be our product. Okay guys, so I took this picture from internet. It's kind of a box book thing, but I really like it because it's kind of got a shiny surface here and it's nice and white. So now we can put all our objects on it. So first of all, let's grab the PNG image. So here it is. Copy that and let's paste that into the layer. There we go. So I also have this other really nice little video image here. Let's copy that and paste that into a new layer. I added some text. Okie dokie. Now let's have some fun. We're going to turn everything into 3D. So let's turn off the text and the little object. Let's start with a picture. So we select the picture and go over to Edit, Transform and Perspective. Now we can take this image and move it around. Apply. Now let's grab the text. So for this text to work, we need to select the text and go to Type and then Rasterize Type Layer. This turns the text into an image. And now let's go over to the Edit, Transform and Perspective again, and let's move this around. Okie dokie. So now let's do the same with the other objects. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to export this image so we can upload it onto our website. For that we go here, File, Save for Web, and then here we can select JPEG. And as you can see, the image size is alright here. It isn't that big. Click on Save and let's save the file. So I hope this was helpful. My advice is play around with these tools, but especially have a load of fun with it. Alright DMC, back to you. Bye bye.
Hey Ronnie, that's looking good, fella. Good job there. Well folks, thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.